Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Macadam app. Okay, this is a walking app, and it says that the app pays you out for walking. So maybe you came across this on social media, one of your friends shared it with you, and you're wondering, can you really make money from walking, and how much money can you really make? Okay, so let's review this app to see whether this is a good use of time. At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email. You can check that out if you would like. All right. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet, all sorts of apps like this, walking apps, exercise apps, watching video games, watching ads, surveys, different business models, MLM, all sorts of different courses as well. And some of them are great and you can make a lot of money potentially, but a lot of them are actually a big waste of time and they don't pay out that much. So let's take a look at Macadam to see what this is really like and is this worth your time, okay? Now this is a walking app and it looks pretty cool, to be honest, right? It's pretty cute here. It's a global app and you can basically download it from 27 countries. So it's not available everywhere. It really depends on where you live, but not too bad, 27 countries. It's available on the Android and iOS device, right? And it pays you to walk, that's all. So basically you would turn on the app and as you walk it will count your steps, all right, and it will add towards how much you are walking, and then you can turn that into rewards and money. All right, now let's see how much you can actually make. That's very, very, very important, right? So I'm going to go to the Google Play Store right here, and over 1 million plus downloads. That's a lot of downloads, okay? And this is what the app looks like right here. And essentially what happens is you turn the app on, and as you're walking, it will record your steps, okay? Now, the big complaint that a lot of people have is that it doesn't track accurately. So if you want to use this app, you need to have the app on all day as you're walking. Now, on average, the average person walks about 5,000 steps per day. Now, these guys pay out 50 coins for every 5,000 steps. So you can expect to earn roughly about 50 coins, which we'll talk about in a minute, how much those coins are actually worth in real money, all right? And then what you need to do, which is a bit weird, is you can see here how it says validate my steps, right? You need to validate your steps every day before midnight, otherwise your steps don't count for the day. Okay, this is one of the only walking apps that actually force you to validate your steps. Otherwise, all of the steps that you made that day are not going to be counted for coins. So make sure that you do that, otherwise you're wasting a lot of time, okay? So 50 coins roughly per day if you keep the app on. Again, it doesn't sync very well with other walking apps or exercise apps, unfortunately. It's a little bit clunky, this app, even though it looks nice, okay? Now let's keep going here. So the way it works is after you add up coins, there are also other ways for you to make money. It's not just from walking. You can actually play games, all right? So you can play games called Playtime games. There's a big company called Playtime, and when you play the games with Playtime, just understand that it's not designed to make you that much money. Playtime games will pay you less than 1 cent. It's usually a tenth of a cent for every game that you play, and so it takes a long time before you can rack up those points. You can also watch video ads, okay? So for every video ad that you watch, it takes roughly about 30 seconds to 1 minute. You'll make about 10 coins for every video. Sometimes they run out of videos. It really just depends on that day and how your luck. Sometimes there are more videos than others, but 10 coins is very little. We'll talk about the value of those coins in a second, okay? And then what happens is as you play your games, as you watch videos, as you walk per day, your coins are going to slowly add up and add up and add up. You can also refer friends, and this is probably how you've seen this particular video and found out about them. And then what happens is you can convert those coins right here, okay, you can see here, into real money. Now the big question is how do you convert and how does this actually work, all right? So first of all, you need to understand that in order for you to convert, you have to be in the right country, okay? It doesn't convert in all countries, and you have to have 30,000 coins in total before you can convert, which is equivalent to $15. Okay, so 30,000 coins. Remember how we said that if you walk an average of 5,000 steps a day, you earn 50 coins. If you watch a video, it's 10 coins. You need to get 30,000 coins. That's going to take you easily more than a month for you to get $15 equivalent. Okay, now let's just say that you can get an equivalent of 30,000 coins and convert it into $15. The minimum threshold is $15. That means you cannot withdraw until you get 30,000 coins, which is equivalent to $15, okay? Now let's just say you can do that. The only way for you to withdraw is directly through your bank, okay? And because this app is based in Europe, they only, they don't allow withdrawals in a lot of countries. So there have been a lot of complaints. If you're based in the US, you can't withdraw, right? Even in the UK, it's been a little bit challenging. Some people have been able to withdraw money, some people haven't, right? So it just depends on your luck. The other weird thing about this app is that the support only speaks French. So when they reply to you, they don't reply in English. So if you don't speak French, it can be very, very confusing, even though everything is done in English, but the support is all done in French, all right? So there are a lot of hiccups with this app. A lot of people complain that the amount of steps that you're taking doesn't actually reflect on the app itself. When they use, obviously, their exercise apps, it doesn't really work very well. So again, it is a hit and miss kind of thing, right? Some people have been able to withdraw, other people haven't been able to withdraw. Again, with the banking, they don't allow you to withdraw money through PayPal. They don't have gift cards, nothing like that. They don't work with every single banking system, so it really depends on your luck, all right? And also on top of that, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to get to 30,000 coins because, as you can imagine, that will take you quite a long time if you're only getting about 50 coins a day, and that's if you're walking all day. If you're not walking all day, you're not going to get 50 coins. You're going to get less than that, about 25 coins, right, per day. So it's going to be very difficult for you to get a total of 30,000 coins, all right? So what I would say is that if you're in the right country with the right banking system and this app actually works for you, and it's not bad, but you still can't make that much money because it'll take you at least a month or more before you can even earn $15, which is the minimum on this particular app. All right, so lots of complaints about this app. If you're in the right country, then you can withdraw, which is not bad. But even if you're in the right country, $15 a month or $15 every month and a half, I think is a very little amount of money for the amount of effort that you're putting in. If you have that much time, I would say that this app is just for fun. This is just a little bit of fun. You earn some points. Maybe you get to withdraw money, right, and convert it into real money. And you can play some games. You can watch videos and things like that. But is this a good way to earn income using the internet? I think it's a very, very bad way. Okay, because you're spending a lot of time and you're not really getting that much back from the app itself. And the support apparently is really bad, and it's all in French, and it's very glitchy. So for those reasons, I would probably not even recommend Macadam. But if you're in the right country, then maybe it could work for you. Okay, it really just depends. But listen, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to make real money online, right? Maybe you came across this and you're like, oh, this looks interesting. I want to make some money while walking. But there are a lot of better ways to generate income on the internet, right? This is just one of those ways. I think it's a little bit of a waste of time. If you've got a few hours a day and you want to spend it earning income, you should, look at learning a skill set that will pay you hundreds of dollars every single day instead of maybe $15 a month, which is like a drop in the ocean. You can't do anything with $15 a month. Maybe you can buy a lunch and that's it, right, for all that effort, but you certainly can't retire, you can't travel the world, you can't live an amazing lifestyle, nothing like that, all right? So I would say that technology is very powerful, and if you're serious about generating a real income online, I've got one favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 every single month. And if you would like that strategy, go ahead and click the link below and I'll send you that straight to your email, and you can check that out if you would like. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Macadam, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.